What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining. We're going to be working on permissions today. Kind of picking up where we left off last time. I'm pulling in the Laravel permissions package. I did work on getting our organization concept for multi-tenancy working a little bit earlier today, so I'll go over some of that work and kind of how that's all going to work together. Basically, just making it so permissions are per organization and not app-wide. So they have a Teams system in there that we're just going to leverage. But basically, this stream, I want to build the permissions UI. Probably build that into just a new panel. Yeah, I think it'll be under a new panel, not under organizations. And then make it so we can create roles, edit roles, get permissions to roles, delete roles, and add people to roles. Maybe also add permissions to users. I know people, it's maybe frowned upon sometimes to do that, but at least roles today, for sure. That'll be the basics enough. And then also updating the policies. I already updated most of them, I think, but I'll show how that works, where basically we have permissions assigned to roles or users, and then policies checking permissions. So with all that said, let's just jump into it today. It's kind of an afternoon stream. Probably won't be a super long one, but I think we get all this done. At least the roles part. Making sure permissions are functionally there. So let me share my screen. We'll jump into it. All right. So I have this ticket from last time, this add permission system ticket. I added a bunch of stuff to it for UI, create a role, permissions, basically everything I just kind of went over. Adding the policies to the, making the policies check for permission updates, and then also checking policies. And we're gonna be creating a new permissions controller today. Probably not a resource controller, so it'll be the first one we're like really creating sort of from scratch. But yeah. Quickly, let me go over. This is the package I pulled in. I'm using this. It's very simple. It's essentially you have permissions to do things, and then permissions can be assigned either to users directly or to roles, and then a user can also be assigned roles. So you can basically group types of permissions together. Maybe you've got like an LC role, and then you can add permissions to that, and then you can just assign a bunch of people to the LC role, just to keep it obviously organized. And then that is all per organization since we have multi-tenancy. So I'm using what they call Teams permissions in this, which basically just adds an organization ID to the pivot table. So basically when it looks for that link between like a permission and a user, that like permission to user has also an organization ID. So it's filtered that way. All right. So like I said, I did some of this work already. Created a branch earlier. There's a couple things I got to figure out still, or make sure they're working. Part of this package, if you remember last time we did the current organization ID helper, this package requires us to set permissions team ID for all requests, which basically sets like what organization we're looking for permissions for. But we have to set it at like a request level, which I don't love, and there's no way to really hook into this. It's buried in the library. It would be very cool if this wasn't buried in the library. Maybe that's a PR we can open up in the future, because I would really like this to just default to our current organization ID helper that we already made. But in the meantime, what I've done is just created this set permissions team ID inside of the boot so that it'll just automatically fire. I actually haven't tested this, so I don't know if it'll even work. I probably should test it. But I want to make sure that it's working, basically. So we'll go through that once we add some. Let's see, make sure login and everything works. Okay, cool. The other thing I went ahead and did is I added, let's see. Oh, I got a couple things in here I need to fix. this is the policies. So I went ahead and updated these to check our permissions. And I also created an enum for our permissions. So right now we just have organization manage users and organization edit. So this is basically being able to manage users, permissions, things like that in the org. And the other one is basically like view and edit all organization details. Maybe instead of edit, maybe admin would be better. Probably makes more sense. I like that better. It's a little more clear. Cool. So we'll say an admin can also manage users probably. But you can also just give manage users. Okay. So let me jump back over here. So basically we've got these enums, which actually go into a database table. So we have permissions enum. I created this sync to database function just to keep it simple. This will automatically sync permissions to the database. It actually just creates them. I should probably make it like update them fully, but there's some other caveats there where if we like deleted a permission later on, there would be links like join tables and stuff that need taken care of, which seems like too much work to do right now. So instead it just creates them if they're missing. And then I just created a migration to just run sync to database. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and roll this back and run it again since I just changed that. So basically anytime you add a permission, you want to add a new permission, you'd go into this permissions enum file, you'd add a new permission here at the top, whatever you want to call it, give it a label down here for something nice to show on the front end. And then you would want to create a new migration that just runs permission sync to database. This might be something that in the future we make like an artisan command on deploys for maybe it's just like PHP artisan app deploy, and it runs all the things we need to run. And this could become part of that. It just runs this instead of making it migration. But for now, this is easy enough. We can kind of cross that bridge later, I think. Alrighty, cool. So yeah, like I said, today I've built out sort of that backend. Kind of works fine, I think. We'll actually make sure that that permission ID set is working. But really the focus now, I think, is going to be around the UI side of things. So we got to create a controller, and then we also want to create the UI. So let's take a look here. So we've got, I'm thinking we create a new section on here for like, maybe should it go under organization? Maybe we create a new tab for like permissions. Maybe it's like users and then permissions is a separate tab. That probably looks good. Let's go with that. So let me push out what I've got right now. So I do have a couple things in here. Should be good. It's permission system baseline. Easy enough. Okay, let me see here. So we want to go to our organization file we had created before. Let's close everything here. So we'll figure out where we're at. Use, where am I trying to go? There we go. Pages, organization, show. Here we go. So I think we should pull in tabs here. So we'll have like tabs at the top. I know there's Shad CN tabs for sure. Yeah, like this. Stuff like users. think so. Wait, what's a menu bar? Oh, I see. Not quite this. Yeah, I think we just go with tabs. Let's see if we've got this. Tabs? I don't think we do. Tab. No. Okay. Let's add it. Easy. One file. Cool. So, usage looks pretty simple. So we'll just start by putting our current stuff into tabs. Computer's chugging a little bit today. See if it'll just add everything. It will. Very good. Cool. So we'll say like users. I guess we'll say users. This looks pretty straightforward, I think. And then we'll say permissions. And then we'll add some checks in here too at some point later today. So the permissions tab doesn't show if you can't edit it, basically. Okay, cool. I don't actually care about this. In fact, let's just see what this looks like. It's probably gonna be like full width, I'm guessing. It's actually not what I expected. Tab list. Hey, we can add skeletons, right? Let's pull that in. That actually might be nice for mocking stuff right now. Uh-oh, where am I? There it is. Oh, we already have it. Never mind. Let's just pull it in. Skeleton. Nice. Let's see, what's usage look like? Easy. So we just say, oops. What's that do? Does it need a size? Maybe it needs a size. Okay. I'll just say like, I don't know. What is it? One? It's like screen. There it is. I thought it was like as a 1/2 screen or something. Oh man, the computer is chugging today. 1 second. Okay. Hopefully that's better. All right. So yeah, I'm surprised this doesn't work, but we'll just say this doesn't really matter. I guess it's just good to know though. Or not padding margin is what I want. Okay. We want this tab at the top to be like spaced a little nicer though. So how'd they do it here? Tabs, class name. So that you could just. So that's gonna be all the way across now. It's way too big. And then we say max width. Yeah, something like that. Easy. Okay, so we got permissions tab. So I'm thinking what we'll do is, so I think we want to be able to add roles here. Maybe we make it, maybe it's called roles. Maybe it's not permissions. And then we make a roles table component or a partial. And then I think that can house like everything, basically. And we can just start there. Then you can add roles, remove roles, add people to roles. And we just have like, maybe it's an edit modal that comes up. So it's like a table like this for roles. You click edit, pops a modal up. And then inside the modal, you've got add users, remove users. Like, yeah, it's like a multi-select where you just like checkbox people you want in the role, and then also permissions. Yeah, I think so. I think that'll be simpler for this first pass. So we'll do that instead. So it's called roles. And then we're gonna create another partial. We're gonna mostly make it the same as the users table, so we'll call it roles table. Roles table. What does a roles table take? Just the roles and the organization, I guess, or maybe, yeah, probably roles and the organization. Yeah. I feel like we need to clean this up at some point, but what is in a role? I don't actually know. Select from roles. Organization ID, name. I think that's all we need. Organization ID and name. Maybe create an updated. Oh, probably. Do we want users in the role too? Probably. So ID, name, probably permissions. That's a good call. We'll say users. Organization, ID. Oops. Sure, we can throw created out and updated out in there. That's fine. I just realized those are strings. Guess that's fine. I feel like that's wrong. That's how they do it by default, so okay. So we'll have roles. We'll have everything, and then we'll have, gotta add the import. List of organization roles, and then we're gonna have name. We'll have users. We'll have, I guess actions can stay there. Maybe it'll be like delete will be the only action probably. I think we should also put permissions. We can like shortcut it. So it'll like show you the list and then like ... and you can hover it, see all of them or something maybe. Okay. We're gonna want to copy a lot of this. Maybe we do, we'll see. So we'll go, just leave it there. Roles, role. Role name. This is going to be the action one, which we will have 1, which will be basically delete role. So we'll do that. It'll be disabled if, I guess, somebody doesn't have, I don't know. Somebody should only really see this if they have permission to, so. On click, the route, we don't have any of this yet, so we're just gonna do that for now. What's it not happy about? Missing one. No. Oh yeah. Signal. Delete role. Looks good, looks good. Okay, so we got role name, and then we're gonna have, yep, basically that. And then same thing for permissions. Okay, right, we gotta put this in there. So, do we need organization? Yeah, I think we're gonna want that for the pop-up. For like create new, we'll need like organization. So we'll keep that. So go back to show. Let's drop this in here. So we're just gonna follow that same kind of pattern from the other one. Roles. And this is going to be roles table. Roles equals roles. Now we gotta go up here. We gotta add roles. That looks good. And then we need to go back to our organization controller. We need to pass roles into this thing under here. So we go roles. Yeah. Organization. Guess we gotta add this to the organization. So we're gonna want public function. Okay, it's in there, so we should be able to go roles. Has many. This is gonna be return this has many. Dang, has many. And then we're gonna actually just use there is like a has roles trait that they include that I put on the user controller or model, I mean. But I think it's more like this can be assigned to roles more than like, yeah. Let's do this. Let's go has many. There is a config we actually do here for permissions to define what the role class is. So it's going to be config permission models role, I think. As many get class config. Yeah. I think we want this. Because if we end up changing that in the future, this is something that could definitely get missed. Does that actually autocomplete just to make sure that's right? Permission dot model, yeah. Okay, cool. I think that'll work. I don't have any roles actually right now, so let me go create one. Let's create a. I think they have a helper for this. Create permissions. Oh, there it is. Oh, no, they don't. Just write role create. So I guess if I do, I guess I need to create it for... So this is where I'm kind of running into like the issue. I feel like I want to almost create my own role class. Maybe I do. Maybe I go ahead and do that. Role has organization ID on it, right? Yeah. I think I'm going to, because we can use our has organization trait. Yeah, let's do it. Permissions. We're going to create a role. And then we're just going to say, yeah, I think we just want to literally the class role extends. Oh, actually, before we do that, we need namespace. Namespace, permissions, then class role extends role. And then we want to say, actually, just to triple check, this does extend. Okay, cool. An eloquent model. So we can use has organization, and then that should take care of us automatically filling in org ID and actually filtering. And then literally what I was just talking about, we can now go back to permission, config, and change this role reference to instead be to our role class we just made. Now to use that, now to use this one we just made, which does basically everything the same, and just also is using this trait we made, which should automatically scope it to our organization. So all right, that looks good. So now let's go ahead and create one really quick. So if I go jump in here, if I oops, let me log in as the first user really quick. Auth, log in, user first. So now we're logged in as, should just be my account, I think, so I'm first, yeah. So we're logged in, so we got it. So if I go current organization ID, there it is. And then so here's something that's kind of weird, is that because this isn't like a normal request, it's in here, I gotta do this. That's what I don't love yet. We gotta figure a way to make that just happen and like tinker and everything. I think if I get permissions team ID. Yeah, so hold on, let me just confirm that that doesn't happen. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. So we log in, we get our ID. If I get, yeah, it's null because we're already like app service is already run. So we got to manually set it. Now if I go, now it's set. We could hook into the login event and make it happen there. Probably. We'll see if it becomes an issue and we'll come back to it. If we start seeing weird permission stuff, we'll come back to that. I'm thinking like you're gonna log in once and like your login should be mid login, like permission check would be kind of weird, I think. Actually, maybe not, because it might redirect to different places. So we probably do need to do that. So I'm gonna go, if I do user, I wanna go Laravel login event. So I wanna say, defining listeners. There's like a login event for sure. I wonder if Claude can just help me out with this. I want to say Laravel on login. Same request. Let me open up Claude here and just ask it. Maybe it'll tell me something helpful. Okay. Let's give it a spin. So if I say, I want to run a function automatically when a user logs in Laravel, I could use a listener, but I want to make sure it happens during the same request. I don't actually know. Yeah, but see, the problem is doing a logging controller still makes it HTTP only. Like it's like a request. So like Tinker doesn't get, it doesn't matter for Tinker. I want to hook into auth login specifically. Let's try this. Event service provider. No, it's not in there. They changed this now. It's under. Is it in-app service provider now? I think it might be. Laravel 11 events. Events. So I'm gonna make a listener. Just use that. It's easy enough. Tail artisan, make a listener. User login, assign. Organization. See, this is all like, we're going so far down the rabbit hole because now we got to update user too. Like if current org changes, we need to like set this again. It would just be so much better if we could just modify that one place in this package. Like create a resolver, essentially. Because like this. Problem for another day, I think. I think that actually might be a PR we open on the stream. Maybe we'll go and actually like contribute that and make it so we can add a resolver to that package. I think it would be very useful. So I can't be the only one. So yeah, we'll skip that for now. I'm going to make a note to add resolver functionality to Laravel permissions package for, what is it? The set permissions ID. Okay. Made a note. That is another day. We'll tackle that, I think. Maybe this weekend or something, or another short stream. That should be pretty easy to do. So, be a good one to show how you contribute. For now, I think it's gonna pretty much work. We just might get a little bit of oddities sometimes. Like switching orgs or on first signup potential, or first login, I mean. If you try to check a permission, it probably will return false until you make a second request. So yeah, because I think if you change orgs and you try to load a page like through a redirect, I guess if it's a redirect, it's fine. As long as it's a redirect, it just needs to be a redirect. If you try to like actually like change the response context midway, it'd probably break. Okay. Cool. Moving on. So we've got our role. This is better. So let's try creating a role. That's what we were doing. Sail Tinker. So we're gonna log in, auth, log in. It's our first user. We're going to, nope. Not do that. We're going to do whatever this thing I was just talking about is. Service provider, this. We gotta do this manually for now. Fixing it in the future, hopefully. Cool. Now if I get permissions, team ID, it should be good. Okay. So now we're gonna go app. We're gonna use our new role class, which has organization, so this should work. Should we go app, models, permissions, role, create, name. Garrett's test role. Boom. So see our organization ID autofills. Thanks to our has organization. Hey, I should make sure that they don't actually just do that. We should use this anyway, I think, just so that it's using the same thing. But I wonder if they do take care of that, because we do set our... Let's try it. Oh. They do. Okay, cool. So that's nice. They actually do take care of that at least. I'm going to throw this in here anyway. I don't think it hurts to have consistency anyway, but it's actually, they already are adding that scope automatically. So it's actually working very similarly to how we did organizations. So that's cool to see someone else doing it very close. It's reassuring. Cool. So we've got our role in here. So what I want to do is, if I go over here, object must be, oh, it didn't like this. A string was given. Oh. Because actually, I think we might just want this. We do. Oh, maybe not. What are we not happy about? Cannot read properties of undefined. Reading map. Did we not pass something in? Let's take a look. Organization roles. Has many. Looks good. Take a look at... So the roles table itself is what's breaking. Are we passing organization into this? Or did we forget to do that? We sure did. Organization equals organization. That should do it. Why is that called permission still? 5 roles. Alright. Roles. Cannot read properties of undefined. Users. Oh. There are no users. That's fine. Let's go here. Go roles. Dot map. Role dot users. Is there a way to make this? Is there a way to make this? Is that? I guess we just go role dot users like that. I guess same thing here. It's gonna say the same issue. Cool. And we got our delete role action. Very nice. I wonder if this is like stateful, like if I do something with inertia, will it like take me back to users table? I guess we'll find out. I would think it would be. It would have a state. It probably has a state. Because it had a default, right? Yeah. Actually, we can look, right? Take a look. I don't know what's going on in here. Oh, that's probably because I want to look at actually. Oh, it's all in here. I don't know. That might not have a state. Guess we'll find out. It's okay. Oh, how does this look on mobile, actually, by the way? Oh, it looks great. Is that an error we're throwing now? No. Yeah, that looks great. We can probably get rid of the roles in the user's header since they're kind of captured here now. So let's do that. So show. This can go away. Pending invites will keep. Yeah, that looks great. Nice. All right. Cool. Looking good. Okay. Our invite stuff all works. Oh, through an error. What do we got? Validate div cannot appear as a descendant of P. Oh. Good news, we're just gonna open a ticket real quick. Org invite modal throws an error when opening. See, these are great ones because if you guys are interested in getting involved, you know, here you go. This is probably a great first issue. It's probably really simple. It's a bug. I'll take a little picture real quick. Maybe if I can find my screen. Oh, it's on this one. Throw a little image in there. There you go. Oh yeah, you guys see. Oh. Nick actually opened it for review now. It was in draft. DigitalOcean deploy button. I'll have to check that out tomorrow. I think we'll go over it tomorrow. I want to focus on this permission stuff. That'll be cool. One-click deploys. Wait, did he add the button too to the README probably? Oh, see, that's sick. Hold on, let's see. No. Give me like. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Here we go. That's sweet. That's sweet. Come on now. That's gonna be so cool. Imagine you like just looking at this repo, right? You just open it up, you're like, oh, I'm curious. Just click the button. That's gonna be sweet. Yeah, I think we'll check this out more tomorrow. I'm gonna focus on getting this permission stuff knocked out, but we're gonna run through this for sure. Part of the Wednesday update, maybe. Okay, back to it. Cool. So what do we got now? So we had an error still, right? Or no? Oh, we had that error. Roles is working. Yeah, right, Adam? It's gonna be pretty fire. I'm excited. Super excited. Cool. So let's get rid of this responsive. So delete role, that's fine. I think we add an edit button. Oh, we'll just add it in. Yeah, we'll add it under actions, but not as a ... We'll add it as a separate button in there, I think. I think it's gonna be like you're gonna more likely want to edit in there, and we want delete to be a little hidden. So we'll just add a little button here. Yeah. Wait, button. Probably. Edit. Yeah, need some flex, space. Not what I'm trying to do. Text right. What do I want to do? I want to say like justify end. I can't believe I got that right first try, to be honest. Is this not working? Doesn't feel like that's working. Is it flex gap? No. Thought it was space. Am I wrong? Is it just space? Space. It is just space. There we go. That looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, cool. That's a little cramped. I'm thinking on mobile, maybe we hide the second. Is there like we saw there was like a mobile thing before. Sorry, 1 second. There we go. Okay. Okay, cool. So yeah, I think there's a way we saw before to look at like mobile, right? There was like a mobile thing. Like is mobile. Here we go. Use mobile. Like I wonder how, is there like a good way for me to use this? Yeah. I mean, I guess like I'm curious if we're going on another tangent, obviously. That's all we do here. Bear with me though. So I wonder if we can do like class name equals hidden, medium, visible. And then I can do I do the same thing up here? This is users. But does that work? Or does it freak it out? Seems like it works. Yeah. Wait, no, it's not visible. Oh, is it display that I want? I think it's display. Wait. Am I... Okay, what does hidden do then? Display none. Okay, what does visible do? It's visibility. Okay, so I want block, I think. Oh, whoops. I want hidden and I want medium block. Okay, I think this will work. Block. I'll just keep it in CSS. Make it nice. Yeah, okay, cool. I like that. Then we don't have to do some weird JavaScript thing. I don't know. Cool. Oh, is it inline? Oh gosh, I don't know what the default display point, or like the default is, I guess. Display table cell. Is it like cell? I feel like they'd make it like cell. Tables. I saw table cell there for a second before it disappeared. Pretty sure. Yeah, okay, cool. Probably the same thing down here. Probably the same thing. Oh yeah, there we go. That looks good. See, that's easy because it's CSS. So easy enough. Cool. Simple. Okay, so we got edit. Maybe we make that secondary. Let's try that really quick. Secondary button. It looks disabled. That's my only problem. Like, it looks nice, but it just looks disabled. Okay. So I think we'll create a modal and we'll have the edit button basically open it and set like the currently edited role, essentially. I guess I can give permissions to this role, see if that works. So what is it? Role equals app models permissions role first are give permission to app enums permission. I'm giving up. We're gonna install Tinkerwell really quick. Well, I have it installed, but I'm sure there's an update. That was not a great one to show on the stream. Let's see, enter your license information. Okay. Let me try to get this license in here really quick. Okay, so here. Actually, maybe it's easier for me to just re-download. Or no, actually, it's gotta be in that. I forgot. 1 second. Let's see here. So Tinkerwell is nice because it'll keep track of like what we're doing and everything. Oh, okay. One second here. Beyond code. I have no idea why I'm... it's a little... So it's basically just like a REPL, basically, right? Environment, but I like it. It works pretty well for me, so... however, I have to install it inside of WSL2 because my environment's all in there. So I get a little bit of funniness. Oh, we got an update. This update also works 50% of the time. It's trying. It's probably not gonna work. I want it to work, but it's not working. Let me try one more thing. Actually, hold on. I lied, I got 2 more ideas. I want to do this. I want to say... remove the old one, and then I want to install the new one. I'm probably going to have to do my license again. Let's see. It's like almost time for a laptop upgrade. This thing's like chugging. I am putting it through a lot, to be fair. Oh, whoops. Okay. We're almost there. Okay. Okay. I think we're actually live. 1 second, I will open this thing up. So I need to go to Docker. Docker. Oh. Hold on 1 second. I'm trying to get this to work. Okay. It's super not working. I think I'm just gonna give up on it for now. Figure it out another time. All right, I give up. I will mess with this and get it working though, so we can use it on future streams because it's super nice. Okay. Well, cool. So what I'm trying to do here is grab the first role. I want to give permission to do something. Let's go to permissions really quick. Oops. Permission, organization, admin. All right, so we want to say R, give permission to app enums permission. We'll say admin. Cool. And then I can also do R. Can I say Is it add user? I can also go the other way. Okay, I got it. How do I do? Surely there's a shortcut. Permission can be assigned to a role. How do I assign a user to a role? There's not a shortcut? I feel like there's a shortcut just not listed here. That feels very likely to me. Let's go to our role. Let's see if there's like an add user or something. Users. No. Really? Okay. Let's go the other direction. User has roles. Can I assign role? There it is. Okay. So I want to go auth, login, user first, and then also what is it, team? Dang it. It's team ID or something. Okay, it's fine. I think it doesn't matter. So I want to go auth. So my current user, and I want to say, what was it? Assign role. I want to say assign role R. Yeah, so there's our organization ID. So we gotta set the there it is. Boom. That's the thing. I wish we didn't have to do that. It'd be so nice. Okay. So now if we go back to our this. Oh, let's go roles. Wow, I really expected to see. So if I go users, I've got users. Oh, we need to go back to our controller. We are not passing in all of that data yet. So we need to go to show, see we do load. We need to do roles, load, permissions, users. Now it breaks. But that means it's working, sort of. Objects are not valid as a React child. Oh, what did we put in there? I'm pretty sure we auto-completed that one, so that's fair. Roles and role.users map. Div key. Is it because I did the and? Hold on. No. Oh. It really just stopped. Did I do that? Hold on. Before we get too far. I did permissions. I said string here, so there should be permission. Actually, wait, no, that's... Yeah, we're gonna want the IDs for assigning, so we're gonna have to add a permission one here. So let's go export interface permission ID. Oh, ID number. I actually don't know what they're called in the database. So let me look really quick. It's just name and then created. I don't think we need any of that created stuff. Let's just go name. Okay, cool. And so now I can say permission name. That's why it freaked out. That's why this probably also felt weird. Okay. Let's see if that did it. There it is. Although it would be nice if Hmm. Like showing the labels instead would be nice from the enums. Maybe I can do this. Oh, I know what we can do. Actually, I know exactly what we can do. We had to do exactly what we did here. Create our own permissions file. Does not have organization. And this is going to extend the permission just like we did with roles. So this is all great, but we have these enums, right? And they should correspond to these. So what we can do is we can say create a label attribute. Get label attribute. Is that it? Yeah, I think it is. And then basically what we'll do is say return permission, the enum, try from this name, and then return the label. And then we'll say I think it's public, or it's protected appends label. And then, so basically now we gotta make this the default first in the config. So let's make it use our new permissions class. Yep. Okay. And so basically what this is doing is saying we're gonna like make a fake property / attribute, whatever, called label. And it's gonna append it like it's a regular property. And we're gonna make it actually what the actual value of that is going to be is use our enums and try to grab the label. So it'll actually show manage organization, users and permissions, view and edit organization details, whatever. We probably don't actually need this for the table, but we're gonna want it for when we do editing. So for the table's sake, like this is probably fine. Organization edit. I should make this that though. Instead. To match, that would be good. Okay. So this should be good. So anyway, so what we're gonna do is go to organization. We're gonna add it to our types now. So we'll go label, string, now. So I guess we didn't really need to do that because that's fine. But I think if we go to, I got all that data, holy moly. Permissions. There it is. Label is null though, which is odd. Pretty sure that should work, unless the try from is failing. Which is possible. Maybe it's the wrong thing in there. What's in the database? Let's find out. No, it should be that. Oh, we changed it. That's why. Now that should work, I think. Permissions, update label. There it is. I don't know if you can see that, but definitely can't see it now. It's in there though. Sweet. Cool. All right, so I kind of like, maybe we should put a dash when there's none. That would look nice, I think. Let's throw that in there really quick. So if we do, what's the best way to do this? It's like, isn't there like, shouldn't that work? Was there another error that actually was the problem? It was, right? So we can do that, I think. What is it? They like to do maybe like this. Did not work. Mapping is probably happening anyway, is why. I don't know. That's fine. Well, we got rid of the extra stuff that's not needed there. Cool. So let's make delete roll work, I guess. Really quick. That should be easy. Okay, so delete role, we want to add a permissions controller. So let's do that. So we need app. We're not going to use a resource controller on this one. I mean, I guess we could. No, because it's kind of complicated because we're adding like the links and stuff. I think we just create a new permissions controller, and it can manage like assign user, remove user, roles, and we just throw it all in there. What all do we need? Hold on. Permission system. So we need assign a user, remove a user, assign a user a role, remove a user role, add a role, delete a role. We also need edit a role. Probably. Edit role. Okay. Yeah, I think we just create a permissions controller that just does all that. Should be simple enough. Okay. So let's go app, controllers. We'll just create a... I'm just gonna create a permissions controller. Is this singular, organization, invite, controller, organization, controller, permission controller? Cool. This is not Livewire. Nope. We thought about it. Unfortunately, I really like Filament. Like, it's amazing. But there are some definite trade-offs. And I want this to be a highly reactive and mobile-friendly system. And Livewire is, in my experience, very not mobile-friendly, and also struggles with real-time WebSocket kind of work. Inertia also does in a lot of ways. Like I just showed you that massive payload on the front end, right? So there's a lot of data, which is also a problem. But because it's just React and PHP at backend at the end of the day, we can go around it a lot easier without it being like a complete hack. Livewire doesn't really want you in the front end building JavaScript stuff in there very much, and it gets ugly really quick. So in summary, we ended up not going with Livewire or Filament. Although I could have had probably all the stuff we're doing right now, I could have probably had done last week already. To spin up like an admin panel is just too easy. But we're going to have a lot more control So it'll pay off long term. All right, so we have permission controller. We need, I guess we can just stub these out for now. So we need public function, assign user permission, throw new, not implemented. Public function, remove user permission. Public function, assign user role. Public function, remove user role. Whoa, remove user role. Public function, create role. Public function, destroy role. Public function, edit role. Cool. That should be roughly what we need there. Let's go ahead and we'll just add all these routes we need. So I think we just create a permissions subgroup. So we'll go under our organization assigned auth verify. This should be good. Let's go route. And now these are technically under organizations. It's the front end for the web, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to keep it under resource, organizations. No, what am I doing? I want route group. No, prefix. Is that what I want? Prefix permissions. Group. And I think I just want to go function. What did it complete for us? There is no permission. I guess we could match the store theme that they use. Store, destroy, update, I believe. Is that right? Store, update, yeah. I don't like whatever it's doing here. I'm just gonna... So we have permissions, and then we got all these ones we have here. So we have route. Wow, it really messed me up. Route. We're gonna have post for assigning a user a permission. Maybe do route post. Do we want this to be inside of organization? I'm gonna say yes. Because it's gonna be per organization. So I think we go organizations, organization, permissions. And then this is gonna be permissions slash and this is going to be, so we've got a user section, we're assigning a user a permission, we don't have assign a role a permission in here. Assign role permission and remove role permission. So we're gonna leave, I think user level we're gonna not do today. Or like for now. Wait. What the heck? How did that even what just happened there? Cut. Paste. That was weird. Okay, so yeah, so assign user permission. We're gonna leave these off for now. Here with user manage page. So we got assign role permission. So I think we go permissions slash role slash we're getting ugly. I think we just go assign role permission. What do we have routes wise? It's dashes. Keeping it consistent. Assign role permission. Yeah, this is ugly. We need like a scheme for this, huh? But this is gonna be permission controller class and then assign role permission. Organization permissions, assign role permission. Maybe we say give role permission. Because that makes it more clear to me, I think. Yeah. Give role permission. And then basically remove role position. Revoke. Sure. Computer froze for a second, so hopefully it's stream is still good. It's watching, make sure. Looks like it. Okay. Cool. All right, so that's fine. So we got revoke, and so we're gonna do the same thing for give user permission. Revoke user permission. Give user role. Revoke user role. So this one, I think we just do a create. I think we just route post on permissions role for create. And delete. We delete with the role, destroy role. And then update role. We go. Sure. Change my mind. I think I want to sign. Man, my computer is struggling. I have to give it a reboot. And then revoke to remove. That just feels like more... I like the way that sound better, but I feel like people are going to be like, what the heck? Just kind of a little unstandard. Okay. Is that everything? So we got 2, 4, 6, 9. Is that how many we have over here? 2, 4, 6, 9. Okay. I think we got them all. Very good. Removing a sign. Looks good. Yeah. Cool. So we got the controllers there now. So let's go to... Let's go here. Let's close this out. Roles. So delete role. What do we do here? We just like did it, right? If I just remove this user. Yeah. User removed. So let's just do the same thing. Keep it simple. Roles table. And it was under here, yeah. So we did what? User table. We did this. So roles table. What did I copy? Okay. So we're gonna go not so it's I don't get my autocompletes because it's in inertia. We want organizations. We're gonna be removing a user or removing a role. So delete role. So we want this one. And then that is going to take an organization and a role. Role ID. On success. We need to do the use toast thing that we figured out before. Use toast. Wait, toast. Wait, isn't this wrong? Didn't we figure out this was something else? Invites table. Yeah, it was like this. Huh. I think that's probably wrong up there. And it's like... Yeah, it's like that. Pretty sure. And then we could say... Role deleted. And we're gonna probably want to actually like figure out our confirmation modal things at some point here soon. But anyway, so if I go delete role, perfect, as expected. And then we go permission controller, remove role, destroy role. We want to do a gate. Authorize, and then there's a way that this all ties back in. So now if we go here, we can use the gates, I'm pretty sure, to check this. I'm pretty sure. Extending. I like to tell you about extending this. That's what we did. I swear you could use gates though. Am I crazy? Is there a search on here? Gate. Gate. This package uses Laravel's gate layer to author. The gate layer requires. So, maybe we just create a. Maybe just create a policy. I'm not sure. But basically we want to gate authorize. I want to gate check if user can't. User has app enums permission organization admin. Or yeah. Or I guess it's manage users. That is certainly not the right code. Let's just try this. If I go gate authorize, delete role. I mean, I guess I could create role policies and check them against that, but I think I want to do like permission enum organization or manage users, probably. Destroy role. Yeah, and this is gonna be destroy role gets an organization too, right? So it's like organization, and then role. Role. Like this, I think. Let me just double check. Laravel gates. Make sure I'm using this correctly. It should be gate. I think you can just run like a gate authorize. The action's authorized, yeah. Alright, let me just see if this. I think it's literally just this, maybe. Is that second one optional? Yeah. I think it's literally this. I think. Actually, we can check, right? Let me try. So we go sail tinker, and let's log in as first user. What do I have permission for? I gave myself permission to, I have admin. So I should be able to, oh, I gotta do this, okay. Now I should be able to go like this, enums. Permission, no, I think that's right. This action is unauthorized. Which is right because I'm admin, not this, but if I do this. Okay. Is it user can? Is that what I want to do? Instead of the gate, like user can. Probably. I swear I read this in here, them using gates. Like we can do the can stuff, like request user can. Sample app. Gate before if. I don't know. Let's just do the can. That's fine. So we can go. So basically, like auth user can. And then if I go admin. Now I'm lost. Does it need to be like value? Or something? It is. Wait, is it case? Is it case for real? So I have to do that? If I want to use the enum? Wait. Really? Is that why this was failing? Authorize admin case. Must be of type string, but a null is good. Oh. Can. What is it called? Is it label? Hold on, let's go. Permission, enums, admin. Is it? No, there's like a, it's like label or something. Is it label? No, it's case. Is it value? It's value in case. What is this? App enums permission. Organization admin. So it should be value. So I should be able to go gate authorize, unauthorized. What if I go auth user admin value? What am I missing? Shouldn't that work? What is auth user? Did I not log in? No. What? Garrett's test role. Okay. I'll be right back. 1 second. All right. What the heck am I doing wrong here? So it's saying I should be able to say, oh, because the user doesn't have permission, the role does? Is that what it is? Surely not. R equals role first. It's app, models, permissions, role first. R. Hold on. This will be really frustrating if this is actually it. No, I don't understand. What am I messing up here? Let's do user. Auth user permissions. Starting to regret picking a package a little bit. A little bit. Hold on, let's see if there's something weird where like, oh, you know what it could be? Could be a cache issue because we changed that name. Let's log in again. Do our set team. And then let's say it was. It freaking was. Wild Goose Chase. I don't know what this is or how to access it. I guess I just want code. Okay. I just want message. No. Wait, it said unauthorized before, right? So we're good. I think that's working now. So then my next question is, what about this? Okay, and then if I go manage users. Okay, cool. It was just the cache the whole time. Classic. Classic. Okay, cool. Sweet. So that should be working now then. So we want to just go gate authorize permission. And then we'll say manage. Do we want manage users to be this? Probably. I'm gonna say admin for now. Let's say manage users allows you to assign people to roles and invite them, but to actually manage permissions, we'll say is admin for now. Like manage a role. So then we go role delete. And then we redirect back to... How do we just go back? Return. Redirect. Back. Like that. Roles. Garrett's role. Delete. Wait. So app service is probably not working then. Else. Oops. Why? Logger. Oh, we can't do this here, I don't think. Let me try. I'm pretty sure we can't. Info. No user logged in. I'm 90% sure we can't do this here. Delete. Laravel. No user. Oh, wait. I don't actually know. Fresh. Yeah, nobody's logged in yet. We gotta do it in the middleware. I hate this. I just want to overwrite. We might have to fork this thing. I hate it. Like, we're gonna have to do so much extra work to do this. One line of code. Okay. Dang. That sucks. They want you to do like a middleware and all this stuff. I don't understand why they do it that way. I don't want to do it this way. I really don't. Is it Teams they tell you to do it? Yeah. Must also set middleware priority and array. To include your custom middleware before the substitute bindings middleware. Wait, there's global roles can be assigned to any team. I missed that. Maybe our has organization thing does actually do that. What I thought it was doing. A default global makes the role take the default global team ID. Creates a role team ID. Team roles can have. Huh. Okay. All right. I hate this, but I guess we're gonna do it. I just don't know how else to do it. I really don't. Okay. So call like team permission ID assignment. Gross. Yeah, I really dislike this a lot. So we're gonna fix it in the future. With a PR to that library for sure. Okay. And now we gotta do this whole thing, apparently. This feels like such a hack. This is gonna be team permissions ID assignment. Okay. Let's see if it works now. Still, maybe it's cached or something. Oops. Let's sail artisan, cache clear. Let's refresh this. Delete. Why? Permission controller. Let's go. Logger. Info. Destroying role. And we got the role. Sure, I don't actually care about that much. Let's go. Current org is current organization ID, and we'll say team perms. This is gonna be get team. What was it? Get permission team. There it is. Okay. Let's see what this does. Roles, delete. Team perm, so that's not executing. Oh, do I still have to assign it in addition? I guess I just have to also, in addition, assign that middleware. Oh man, that's really ugly. That's super ugly. Alrighty. We'll do it for now. Just to get this done. But we are probably going to change that. And this goes into our what? Didn't we do this somewhere? I think we did. Web append. Yeah. We can just put it here. Team permission ID assignment class. Probably go first. I don't know if it matters. Wait. That's fine. That's like 4 files we had to modify instead of just being able to like write 1 line of code. Let's go delete. There we go. We're in. Okay, cool. We can get rid of this now. Cool. I like the gate authorize, I will say that. That is nice. So let's just throw that in here. Removing user roles and assigning user roles, we're gonna say is not. We'll say that's a manage users thing. Assigning user permissions, we're gonna say is an admin role though. So we'll say this is manage users. Okay, cool. Progress is slow again today. Running into all kinds of problems, but we're learning. We're hitting the snags, figuring out the rough edges. Now we know how, the permission system's there now. Know how to use the gate authorize, all that good stuff. In fact, let's jump over here. Let's change this, because I did this like this. Like user can. I guess that's fine. Right, I think that's fine. I think that still gives you the same result. If I go user can on this, I'm pretty sure it's the same result. Pretty sure we did try that. I'll just confirm. Auth user can. Wait, is it actually different? No way. Gate. You know. Oh, I didn't set the team thing. That's what it is. Oh, now it's probably cached though. What do you think? Value. Wait, is it? Is it different? What the heck have I done? Did the user change? Hold on. Auth. Login. User first. Auth. User. Okay, it's that one. Auth. User. Can. App. Enums. Permission. Or, oops. Or organization. Admin. What have I done? Oh, I didn't set the team again. I'm getting sloppy. Okay, login. Set. Wait, did I miss it? Is that it? Set permission. There it is. Yeah. Okay, it's a caching thing. Okay, so that works the same. So that's fine. That is fine. So we'll leave those how they are. Permission controllers look good. Let me push out what we got. We have quite a bit changed. I like admin better. I think that's good. So what all do we do? Gate checks working, permission controller stubbed, middleware for team ID assignment for current org. Sorry, you can hear my dogs barking. That's somebody at the front door. Delivery. They're like howling now at the delivery guy. Okay, cool. We're getting there. Man, yeah, I wanted to get more of this done today, but we might not. Let's see. We have deleting a role working. We had added policies. Or we didn't. That's okay. We ended up doing something different. We also did the check policy. So we're not doing policies for that. We're just doing the gate check. I want to use policies, but I don't. It seems like they're really more tailored for models, and we don't have models for like pivot tables, basically. So that's fine. Okay. Let's do create a new role. Assign user permissions. Delete role, we did that. So we need a, so the next major thing we need to do is add a form, basically, for our roles. So we need the roles table needs basically a form. Which we can really put wherever. Oops, let's make this a fragment. And then we can do, I guess actually we could put it down here. This is gonna be a big file. I should probably split this out, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna go function. And I'm gonna say role form. And this is going to be a modal. So we're gonna jump back over here to our dialogue. Like this, basically. Oh, we have to do all this trigger stuff. I wonder if that's going to be a problem. I don't think so, because we can do the whole show thing that we were doing before. My thought is that we basically are going to, I'm pretty sure this is something I'll probably learn better on as we go. But essentially, we are going to create a form that has a state, and then like on clicking edit, it's going to set the state of that form to the current role you're editing and cause it to show. That's basically it. So what we're going to do is just turn. We'll just go ahead and drop this bad boy in here because we'll make it a full dialogue. I'm sure this is not going to import the right way. We'll try it. Add missing imports. What'd it do? No, looks good. Cool. So we'll throw this guy in here. Roll. Okay, cool. And so what we're gonna do is say, I think we're gonna do as child, right? Or am I crazy? Guess not. That's fine. Okay, so we don't care about the trigger. We don't need it. We're gonna say this is gonna be a role. So we want role. What is it that I want here? I want role. I want role. Role. So like this? I believe so. That star is not a valid. Yeah, I guess that's what I meant. And then role's not used, so it's like, what the heck are you doing? So we can say, role. If it is a role, then we say edit, else create role. Let's just start with this and see what happens. Delete. Oh, it's fine. And so that's fine. It's not like this, is it? Is that an order? Or is it like this? No, it is like that. Okay. That is a horrible looking line of code, isn't it? It's like a lot going on. I also want to do, so we want to do the whole like show open thing we did before. Yeah, this whole thing, right? Pretty sure this is what it was. Open. Open equals, here it is, yeah. Can I do that like in here? Okay, wait, so I want that here. So maybe I just go open like this. I know it's mad about this. Is it const that I want? I don't remember. Yeah. Are we using this? Oh yeah, we are. Okay. And then I want to go down here and pass that in here. Equals open and set open equals set open. Okay. What is this technically? This whole deal? Okay. That was good. And so now, what are you mad about? Open is not assignable to type. Oh, this is a different type. Must be. Quad computing power. I agree. Deliver loads before the tender even hits the API. That'd be, yeah. That's what we're going for. Okay, wait. Roll form can I use the J. Wait, what am I doing wrong? It's type. JS is not solo type. Wait, how not? I thought that's how you did this in line. Maybe not. Maybe it's roll form. No, I swear you could do it like this. I'm gonna ask Copilot. It says this cannot be used as a JSX component. Give me Claude back. Oh. Oh, that's what I need to do. Right. Okay. That's why it looks different. Okay. Thank you. Okay. We're learning. So roles. So now I want to say, role equals I guess like active role or something like that. And then I want to say this, yep. And then I want to add a button like we did for invites table for the footer, just like this. And we're gonna call it new role. I'm gonna add this import, and we're gonna do, this is gonna be a button, not a form. I don't think that matters. We go on click equals, and we go set active role to null and then set open to true. Format it real nice. I go here and I go, that's a horrible looking place, but we got create role because it's null. Nice. Okay. Why does it look like that though? Dialog footer. Oh, I had dialog footer. I want, wait, table footer. Oh, here we go. This is what I wanted. Basically this and close it up. Got it. Okay. And then table cell, table row, table footer. And format it. And add the import. And yeah, I don't like how that looks, but we'll clean it up a little bit more. I think probably at the top is where it should go. I think same with this. Maybe new invite. Maybe we should pull pending invites into the component and then add a little plus here. I think that would look better. And I think the same thing should be done here. Basically. Like it should go like above the table almost. I hate this here. It looks terrible. Like I'm just gonna literally throw it up here for now because it's gonna look better. Yeah. New role, create role, blah blah blah. Cool. Looks great. I can throw a skeleton in here. Skeleton last name equals width 500 pixels, height equals 500 pixels. Close it up. Now, show a new role. Easy enough. Alternatives to this are What? A sheet? I wonder if a sheet would look better. No. I'm like not usually like a big fan of them, to be honest. I don't know why. They just feel like they're like away. Hopefully the dialogue can go large enough to not feel cluttered though. I guess what do we need? We need name. We need users. And then we need permissions. Might be okay. It might be alright. Okay. So let's go ahead and add the edit button in here though. So we should be able to go. Where the heck is it? There it is. So edit. Look at edit. So yeah, so primary button. So I want to say on click equals. And we want to go set active role to this role and set open to true. So this should, in theory, now say edit role. Does. Sick. Crushing it. Very cool. And so now there was something with forms, right? Or no? I guess not. So I just want to go form. And I probably need to do stuff more than what I'm about to do in here, but we'll go. Actually, what does like edit profile look like again? Like that. Or maybe we'll go login, right? We made login match. Login form. What did we do? Form. It looked pretty good, I thought. I gotta close this div. So this is gonna be name. Or name, text, placeholder should be admin, sure. We don't need background white. We made that override already. Value equals data.email. So this is where we got to do the form stuff that I am not as familiar with. So we need, how does this work? We do use form. So I think we want to go, I wonder if we can we do that inside of here? Because that would be like kind of awesome. I don't know if we can, but we're going to try it. Because then we go use form, and we're going to have name. We're going to have permissions. We're going to have users. We want to post, we want processing, we want reset, and we want errors. Yeah. So let's add our imports. Man, I wish I could. Actually, maybe I can. I should look. If we can add an ordering for these imports, that would be nice. Instead of having to like manually pick the right one like every time. So this is gonna be I need to be like, see, this is a little goofy. I think I probably want to pull this out. How do I do this? Oh, it's like this. Right. Role dot permissions dot map. Yep. And then yes. Okay. Cool. Roles, edit. Oh, so that didn't work. Because this should be Garrett's test roll. Right? Yeah. Why is this not like, oh. Roles, edit. Oh, we got an error. Form cannot appear as a descendant. Okay, that's okay. I think this is what I was saying earlier. I think it's like form's got to be outside of this maybe or something. Wait, why are you not happy? See if that fixes it. Roles, edit. It's still not happy. What? Div cannot appear as a descendant. Oh wait, this can't be in here either? Wait, what? Is it something else that I need in dialogue for content? Dialogue. Because just... Wait. Dialogue. Is there like something else I want? I assumed I wanted dialogue. Wasn't there like an edit profile? Yeah, like how do they do this? Dialogue, content. Oh, that's the header. Got it. I see. So it's not inside a description. It's just here. Like this. So that's like the inset. Got it, got it. That probably fixes it. Roles, edit. Yeah. We good now. I see we're getting like a null and then we're getting something. Hold on, so watch. If I go, there's a null for log, the role's null, and then if I go edit, I wonder if I need to go, like I wonder if I need to like, I just don't know React well enough. This stuff's gonna get so much faster when I do. So I wonder if I need to go set data, name, role name. See, I feel like I can't do this. I'm pretty sure I can't do this. Yeah, I can't. Can't re-render it. But see, I don't understand why that doesn't... I guess just because set data doesn't happen. And so the form doesn't update. Maybe this doesn't need to be data.name. Maybe this should be role.name. Of course, then if you go to save... Wait, why can I not do that? Role is possibly null. Oh. But then if I go to save, it might be blank, maybe? That looks good, though. Like, there it is. But it's changing after. I think that's okay. I think we do that. I think that's what we want. Okay. And then we want div, class name. We want this, or wait. Sure. And then we need permissions to be listed. So we want to go... Oh, we need all permissions. Also. Oh, man, we need a lot of stuff in here. This is getting chunky. This might be like a separate page we want to load instead. Maybe that's what we want. Maybe we want the navigation to actually navigate. For efficiency. We want permissions to equal permission all. And then inside show, we gotta add. Yeah. Oh, permissions. And permissions. And, believe it or not, we have to add it again. Permissions equals permissions. This is definitely not optimal. So I think what we want to do probably long term, maybe we'll come back and do this, or maybe that's a ticket I'll create for somebody to do this if you're interested in getting involved. We should make this a load probably, so the page loads, so that instead of it being like organizations page with all the stuff, we create like a sub layout for like organizations, like panel. And then these pages like extend that layout and they're like separate pages, so that you actually like when you click roles, instead of it actually like single paging, it actually will do a navigation so that there's less data. I don't know. Maybe not. Like, look how far down we're going. Like, this is crazy. Implicitly has an any type? How? Cannot find permission. Wait, permission. Oh, I didn't do that over here either, did I? But yeah. You know, that's a little... Basically, the first load will be a little slow, possibly. That's kind of a lot of data. The real risk, I think, at the end of the day, is hitting a limit on, like, phone payload sizes and making so the page fails because of... because it's, like, trying to send too much data. I've run into that. With Livewire, like I was talking about earlier, with it being, like, mobile issues, that's, like, one of the biggest things I hit. If it tries to update, it tries to, like, snapshot the page and send, like, a diff, basically. And that mobile phones do not like that. Sorry, one sec, reading a message. Okay. One second. Found a message here. Okay. Back to it. So we got permissions in here now. So now what we can do is say... where are we at? Here we go. So I think what we want to do is show a list of tables with a select. Oh, look, is it going to do it for us? Permissions, select... Do we have this already? No. Let's bring in the ShadC and select. It's got one. It's got like a multi-select. We probably want more like a list, I think. Yeah, I think we want more like this. Or maybe we just do a list with a select box. They have a checkbox, I'm pretty sure, don't they? Yeah. I wonder if we have checkbox in here. Yeah, I think we actually want to do... We'll do permissions, that's fine. And then I think we want to actually go with a list. Which we'll probably just do a div for this. And then we want to go permissions map. Permission ID. Checkbox. We do have checkbox. How does checkbox work? Usage. How do we default it? Oh. Wait, what is this? Oh, this is kind of interesting. I kind of like the idea of this. This looks great. Let's do that. No, this looks great. Let's totally do this. Form field. Oh man, we're getting like deep though. So like, single resolver, form schema. We're not using Zod or any of that stuff right now. That's fine. I like the idea of this though. Like a little card. I thought the whole thing would be clickable, but it is not. His form, is that like stuff in here? Form. I haven't been using this. Maybe I should have been. I probably should. Maybe this is where we do it the first time. Dang. I'll tell you what. We're gonna hack this the way I know how to do it. And then I'm gonna see about, we can come back and make this look nice in the future. I am gonna use the checkbox component though. And I'm gonna say checkbox. I'm assuming it's just gonna tell me checkbox is checked equals, and that's gonna be role dot permissions dot any, can't see, any, what is it, find? I swear there was like a has. Is there not? If role permissions includes, that's a beast of a line, but okay. And then we want to do on change, and we want to do set data permissions if checked, otherwise data permissions filter. It's exactly what I want to do. Beautiful. Cool. Look at that checkbox. Holy moly. That's crazy. That's this one. And then I gotta close this. And then I gotta close this. Prettier is like just freaking out. It's probably like, what the hell are you doing, guy? Like, please. Oh, yeah, it's totally messed up. Okay, so we got, that's closed. That's the checkbox. And then we want to go close the div. And then we want to close this. And then we got to close the map. And then we close this. I think that's everything. Yeah. That hurts my brain a little bit. That's too much. Okay. So we should just see a checkbox here. Yeah, for each of them. Oh, cool, because the one's checked. Cool, cool, cool. And then I want to say, oh, it's not working. Damn, how do I make data.permissions? Why? Okay. So that one works. Okay, so that one's working. Hold on. That's weird that... Oh, no, it's not working. Because it should be... Hold on, let's add the label really quick so we can see that. But it should be label for equals... So this needs a name, probably. Name... No? Name. Name equals... we'll call it... Yeah, that's fine. Then for, what is this? HTML for. Perfect. Okay. Wait, that worked that time. Edit. So it's like if you do it the hot reload is like making it work, which is funny. Okay. Okay, so... Oh, that's weird that the click doesn't work. 4. Is there a 4 on this? No. I'm surprised that... Does it do It's not ID, I didn't think. I thought it used the name. Did I make the name different? Permissions. Like, let's make it the same. Doesn't need to be different. Like, that should totally... Like, what's the point? Oh, there it goes. Okay, cool. Alright. Class name equals flex, or no, sorry, we found this out already. Space x2. There we go. And then we can also go here and say class name equals grid gap 2. Let's gap it 4. Yeah, no, it's too much. Okay. So I gotta figure out this whole form thing that I'm goofing. So we need to somehow say like on role change. How do we do this? I want this role to update. I am setting it. Like that works. This does not fill, and the only reason this is filling is because I'm using a cheat. It should be data dot name. I wish this just worked though. And this works if I do it like that. Okay, let me just ask. See, when I ask this, it's gonna be like, let me rewrite your entire file. Let's just go with... Maybe I need to. Alright, Claude, save me. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Add my current one. Roles table. My role form does not reflect the current role data when I first load it. I make sure it re-renders when a role is selected. I know you're going to rewrite the whole file, and I feel like it's low likelihood you're going to fix it. But prove me wrong. Prove me wrong, it's fine. I'll need your role... Yeah, I have it in here. Oh, it like didn't work. Try now. Impress me. Add a use effect hook to watch for role changes. All right. It's trying. You see, it says it's trying. I use effect is actually a good lead. So let me just look up use effect. Lets you keep it synchronized. Use effect. Oh right, because it adds like the watch, right? No, that's good. Let me try this. Use effect. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm thinking. And then I go roll. You can stop trying, Claude. I'm sorry that I hurt you. Roll has a missing set data, either include it or remove. Oh. Because I'm saying set data in here. Is that what it's saying? Oh, I need to do... Is it missing set data? I need to pass... Wait, that's not it, right? I don't think so. Yeah, that's not what it wants. I think we need it... I don't remember. Add use effect as a pass. It's gonna add it to that array, but that's not what it needs to do. It needs as a pass using, what is it called? It's like scope lifting or something. I'm just gonna like tell it, I'm not sure. Using what I think is called scope lifting. I can't remember what it's called. It's like using on roll change equals no. That's the same it's literally the exact same problem with more words. What the heck is it called? There's like a name for what is it called to bring a function into another function in JavaScript? No. Oh my gosh, what the heck is this thing called? It's part of anonymous functions. It's like scope lifting or something. I think it's called like scope lifting or something. Hoisting. That's what it's called. Yeah. Okay. I don't think I ever really understood this super well, but JavaScript moves variables functions to the top of their scope during compilation. No, it's not that either. It's something like hoisting now. Example, I want to call a function inside another function in a different scope. How do I make sure it has access to the right? We're learning together here, chat. Truly. Is it binding? I think it is. I think this is what I want. I'm pretty sure this is what I want. Dot bind. No, it's not it either. Oh my gosh. I read a book about this, but it's literally been like 6 years. A guy I used to work with literally gave me a book and was like, you should learn this. Because I had this, I misunderstood how this worked. Turns out I still do. And it was a good read, but I like literally forget, which sucks. But there's a way to like, it's something like using, like, how do I need to do, let me just give it this. I have this code. No, stop. I have that code and I need to do the equivalent of PHP using to pass in set data. I swear it's not that array. I'm gonna do it if it doesn't, if it tells me to do it again here. This is it right here. This is what I need. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what I need. Let's try it. I wish I knew what there's like a term for it. There it is. Boom. And then if I go new role, new. Let's go. Wait, it did throw an error, I think, though. Roles, edit. No, it didn't. New role. Sweet. That looks great. Edit role, name, permissions. Amazing. Cool. There is a term for that, though. And I wish I could remember what it's called. He wants to set, how do we do this? You can put the inline arrow function. What is it called when you do this in JavaScript? I think it might be hoisting. It might be like something about hoisting. Immediately invoked function expressions, or iffy. Scope hoisting, I think is what it was called. I don't know. That's what I was thinking of, though, for sure. Because it's goofy looking. All right. Cool. We're getting close on time here. I don't think we're going to get this all the way done. I will continue on it tomorrow. But I think we'll go ahead and get users showing up at least. We are very close here. We need to add... let's just get users showing up. So let's start with that. So we're going to want to do a multi-select. I want to see if we can do... so basically the same exact thing here. But we're going to want to go users. User ID. Go username. Let's just go username. Yeah, perfect. Username, user email. Cannot find... Oh, it's because I gotta go... Users. User. ID. Users. Includes... user. Users. User. Okay. Users cannot find users. Oh shoot, we're gonna need all the organization users too, huh? Organization. Did I add the like full users in here or not? I don't remember. I did. I think we have. We may have organization in here. We do. Okay, very cool. So we can say organization dot users. dot map, and then up here. Actually, you know what we'll do? We'll say, actually, no, we'll just pass an organization. Let's not overcomplicate it more than we have already. Organization. And then organization. Boom. I think that's good. No errors yet. No errors yet. There we go. And I'm in there already, so it showed me. Perfect. What we probably want to do realistically is make this a select instead and make it a multi-select with like a search or something. Can I do that in this? Can I do like with a search? It would be really cool. It's kind of surprising that you can't, right? I like that. I think we're going to use that for something. I like, see, the funny thing is I hate sheets from the side, but I actually like drawers from the bottom. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me. This is what I want. I want a multi-select. Maybe I just... Maybe that's fine. Maybe what we'll do is we'll go users, organizations, map. We'll go dot whoops. Dot sort. And then dot sort. A, B, if user is in the data.users list. If data users includes, return -1. A is, yeah, okay. So now, I think what'll happen, I think it'll re-render. So it puts me at the top because I'm selected, but if I go unselect, and if I go, yeah. That's kind of hacky, but I think that's good enough for now. So we're gonna go with it. We'll make these scroll and everything when there's like more there. This looks good though. Let's get this saving and then I think we'll get this saving. We'll get create working. Oh, you know what? Our endpoints, we just need like an update role endpoint. We don't need all those different ones. Duh. Easy. Okay. So let's do a create one first. So if I go new role, okay, so I need, let's push out what we got. It's, edit and create role form. Cool. Also I want to do, this file is massive. See, I can't be the only one that feels like React is kind of easy to abuse. Right? Feels a little easy to abuse. Maybe it's just me. Okay. Cool. We're getting close here. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna hard stop at 5. messages. 1 second. Okay. Let me take a look really quick. What were the other goals we had for the day? Oh, we should actually really be done. We should actually knock like all of this out if we just get like a create, say, and update endpoint done. Oh, we can do that in the next 45 minutes. I have confidence. I have confidence. Okay. So the only bad news is that I was gonna split up manage users and admin. But instead, I think what we're gonna go with is just like public function update role. Yeah, and we're just gonna make this, yeah, admin. And then we're gonna also do public function store role. Same deal. And we're just gonna nuke everything else. And we'll get to the user permission stuff in the future, I guess. Honestly, for now, not supported. Just use roles. Like a good boy. Update role can go away. Let's go to web. So we got update role and store role. Now we could have used a resource controller. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We don't need any of that. Permissions, role. We got destroy, store, role. I think we go role dot destroy. We go role dot update. We go role dot store. I know that needs a change on the roles table endpoint we used because the route is different now. Role dot destroy. Easy enough. Okie dokes. So now we go, we got our form. So now we're gonna create a submit for submitting this bad boy. We also need to create, let's see, we need a create role request. We need an update role request. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's just do those really quick, actually. Sale artisan make request. Store role. And make request. Update role. Okay. And then store role is going to take, we're going to have, let me get another one up that I can use as reference. Okay. So we're going to have users, which is going to be an array. It doesn't have to have anyone in it. I guess we'll just say that for now. And then it should also be, oh, right. Yeah, we'll make it's just IDs. I think that's fine. And then name. And then permissions, which should be integers as well. Yeah, that's good. And then I think we can reuse it, right? Yeah. Authorize. Gate. Does this, can I do like, I can do like a check, right? It's like, is it check? So return a bool? Does. This is overkill. We got it like in 2 places now. Probably should clean that up in the future. Still feeling like we're feeling it out a little bit. It's gonna settle though. So what we're gonna do now is looking at permission. So we've got organization is gonna come through for free. We also get yeah, we get role for free on as well. So So, permissions controller is really a role controller at this point. That's okay. So with update role, we get a update role request. Oh, wait. Yeah, I need to add requests at the end of these. Yeah. Cool. So we get that. We're getting an update role request for update role. That's our request. We also get exactly what it's suggesting here. Organization, and a role. Just a role. Did it pull in organization? It did. Okay. Okay, and so what we know we get out of here is we can't just do that, fortunately. What we need to do is say, we could say role name equals the request name. We could say, oh, that's fine, I guess. We say, could I do that? I don't think so. Guess we'll try it. So it's something like you can sync. I've used this, but it's not been on it with a list of IDs. Oh, it does work with IDs. Oh, that might be what exact. Okay, let's try it. That'd be super shortcut to just sync it. That'd be amazing. Yeah, that'd be sweet. So let's see. We go back to our roles table. We got to actually make this request now. So we should probably look at how to do the forms from ShadCN in the future. With like a schema and all that stuff. Yeah, we probably want to do that in the future. For now, we're going to do it how we've been doing it, though. So we want to just go for... I don't know if I want to just take what it's put in there on this one. We want this. We want to submit. And we want to say... Oh, yeah, we just post it. That is pretty nice. So on finish. So we're gonna do on success. We want to reset, set open false. And we also want to toast. We want to toast a success message, blah, blah, blah. We should, I want to set this up in the future to automatically kind of just happen, to be honest. Role updated. So this is going to be web update. Let's do an update first, see if that works. But I want to make those toasts automatic, so if we just like return a success back, I'm pretty sure we can hook that into like the inertia like response we're getting with that success, and we can say automatically show the toast. So we just cut to close the modal basically, and the toast will just be handled across the board consistently. So here we just go back. We could say I wonder what this is going to do. I don't know. But we could say, basically, with, I think. With, yeah. Success message. Like this. Like, I guess we can anyway. Why not? Anyway, regardless. So we want to go submit. I think what we'll do is say, yeah, that's fine. So form, where's our format? On submit. And then we want to add a button. And we want to do that in the footer, I believe. Let's look how we did it here. Yeah, oh yeah, this is the footer we copied earlier on accident. Now it's inside of the content. So then here we'll go, yeah. Perfect. Add the import. Why are you unhappy? There it goes. Update the import. And then here we go, if role. We want to. If role, we want to post to whatever that path is. I really wish these auto completed. That would be so nice. I think that's it. That's all we want. And then on the other side, we want to post to store. Right? Role created. That might be it. Let's just try it. I think one thing I'm worried about is it's going to flip us back to users. So if I say, let's add test. Oh, it didn't like that. Oh, button's not doing anything. Button, oh. Wait. Type submit, it's inside the form. Submit. What did I do wrong? On submit. Is it because the form is not in the dialog content? Maybe. Form. Let's try that. Edit, add test. Oh, what the heck? That's weird. Or is it because... No, wait, I don't understand why that wouldn't work. Button type submit. Disabled equals processing. Maybe we'll just get rid of this just to be safe. Why does that not work? Did I not copy that over? HTML4 ID. Oh. Actually, that could have been an issue. So. Why? Is there an error? Oh. Oh, right. There's a console log the whole time. I just totally didn't see it. Definitely time to wrap it up. We need organization and role. So for store, we need organization. I think that's it. And then for update, we need organization ID and role ID. That should do it. Edit. Let's add test. Okay. Post is not supported for organization. Supported is patch and delete. Oh, right. That makes sense. So I need to go patch. Patch. Cool. We can add processing back down here. We should probably add label or errors in here somewhere too, huh? It's okay for now. Roles, edit, test. Okay, well, that's progress regardless. Why do I not have permission? Roles. I'm an admin. Edit. Users. Update rule request is doing a check on... Wait, Wow, I like totally didn't put the right thing in here. This is supposed to be permission, organization admin. Yep. Whoops. Update. Okay, cool. Null value and organization ID of role of relation model has roles. Ah, see, that's a bummer. Again. So we lose the ability to use our has.org thing because of this package. Dang. Okay. Yeah, I should really do this. But the thing is, like, it's funny that I'm totally tangenting here, but, you know, like, they talk about doing model policies here, but you can't for their models because they're doing, like, inline. There's no access to their pivot tables. So I don't think you can actually do model policies on that, like, on their stuff specifically. Which is kind of funny. But all right, so we need to look at, there's like a sync, right? Sync, multiple permissions can be synced to a role. And I can also sync okay, so I can sync roles and I can sync permissions. Wait, can I do users? Like sync users? I wonder if that works. So basically the problem is that this would work. The sync actually would work. But that join that it's trying to do is not... It's not adding the organization ID that we need. So we kind of lose the ability to use that. Just certainly a bummer. So I think what we'll do is just say yeah, we can't do it that way, I think. So we just got to go. So first, let's go with role. No, there's like a command that they did, right? It was like sync permissions. Sync permissions. Permissions. And then I'm wondering, can I go role sync user? No. Dang. Yeah, can't do it with that one, I think. Just for curiosity's sake, I want to see if this works. Edit. Update. Beautiful. So that works. I just wish we could do the... Just can't get the users to work. Very cool. All right, so we just gotta get users to work, so we'll just do it the hard way. Role, I'm just gonna have Copilot help me. Users where not in detach. Say okay, I want to go remove users equals where not in get detach. Add users, request users. But see, I don't think I can attach them like this. I've got to go role add user, or maybe it's, I don't think you can go that direction. It didn't look like. I didn't see like a role add mini. I saw a role add permissions. See, like I see roles and permissions have a back and forth, but I don't see permissions versus roles. User assign role. What about the other direction? Role. No. Dang it. Okay, well, that's fine. For each, add users as add user, sign, role, sign, role. Handle users by removing anyone not in the new list. Then adding anyone in the new list that isn't already in the role. We can just use sync permissions. That is, really wish we could use that. If we had built it even if we fork it, we might open a PR to do that. Assign role on int. Oh. Add users equals request. Let's go equals user where ID. Get. Okay, roles. Did it work? Or no? It didn't work. Do I have to save? Or something? Assign role. There is a sync roles. Or no, that's the other way. Ah, yeah, okay. Wait, so what did that do? Select star from model has roles. It did nothing. Add users equals user where ID. Oh. I think that's what we want. Send array. There it is. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Okay, so new role. Let's do this really quick. And then we're done. So, okay, so we want to do role equals role create. We don't have to specify organization because we have has org on this already. Yep. Yeah. We also need to add our store role request here. Organization looks great. And then we're going to just be adding this case. So we're going to role sync permissions. I don't know why I'm doing request like that. Request permissions. And then we're going to go role. Yeah, we gotta do the same thing, which is kind of a bummer, but that's okay. It's not that big a deal. That's it. Role created successfully. Roles table. Date create, blah blah blah. Got role created. Okay. Roles, new role, admin. Actually, hold on. What if I do this? Please fill out. Cool. Admin. Let's do manage users to test. Test manage user. All right. What if I just do test? It's mad that I'm not sending anything, but actually it should be allowed. So let's. That's probably something where if we use the form, that other Shadcyan form, we could do the schema. Is this required or something? Wait, is this not throwing, is it throwing an error? Create. Oh wait, that's working. Wait, is it working? Oh, you know what? Yeah. Our errors aren't showing. Okay, well let's just do errors really quick. It's really simple. So we just go input error message equals errors user. Yeah. HTML4 equals name. Well, I don't know why my copy button isn't working. My computer is restarted, I think, but that's very odd. Class name equals, we'll give it a margin 2. Oh, we've already got the grid gap. We don't need that. It's fine. Same thing for permissions. We got the grid gap. We can get rid of this one too. Okay, there it is. Boom. But we actually don't care. So let's update this and say, these aren't required. You could technically have one without anybody. That's totally fine. Who knows? You might be in there like toying with creating different roles or something. I don't know. So test. Yeah, golden. What if I do this? Test roll. Yeah. Golden. Cool. All right. Looks good. 15 minutes to spare. Let's take a look. Yeah, looks good. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Way simplified. Git add, git commit. Simplified. Controller to primary create and update only. Working form for create and update roles. We probably should add permissions to the front end. To like show that or not for admins. I'll create a ticket to do that, or I guess, yeah, I'll create a ticket. What else did we do? No, I mean that's really it. Basically finish this thing up. Create wool, that works, 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 that works. Sweet. I'm gonna create a quick ticket here for users without org admin should not be able to see the permissions page, the roles page, or make edits. Should add our new permissions. 2 steps to fix. 1, add our permissions. New permissions system into the inertia. Handle request to send perms along with all requests automatically to restrict the rules page from anyone without org admin permission. We might change it to like manage roles or something. I don't know. I don't love the current permissions, but it works. Okay. Permission system. I think it's done. Let's open this PR. Get this thing merged. Quick scroll through. I still hate this. That might be something. I think it's something we're gonna do. Did I write that down? I think I did. Yeah. That'd be like a weekend stream or something, maybe. Looks good to me. All right, cool. Should be closed. Wait. Did this not link? Wait, what have I done? Closed. Oh, I guess this just didn't like TMS 4. Let's do it. Comment. Yeah, let's see here. There it goes. Got it. Okay. Cool. Getting somewhere. We'll check this PR out tomorrow. I think that'll be cool. Excited for that. All right. I think that's it for today. Kind of a shorter one today, but got a lot done. Permissions are done now, so yeah, let's see. Tomorrow we'll do more of a general update at 1 o'clock on the stream. So we'll go over we're working on putting together like broker expert panel. Obviously, like I said in our first streams, we're working on getting like close partnerships with like brokerages, but we'll have like more of an open call for anybody that's, even if you're not a full brokerage, just a broker that wants to get involved, or even otherwise. We're gonna like formalize it a little bit more. So talk about some more of that more formal stuff tomorrow, the 1 o'clock stream. Give more of a status update. Also working on more of the roadmap so we can release kind of like what's timing wise happening. Obviously, we've done a lot of foundational work. Got to be able to add users, assign permissions, etc. Right? So that's been a lot of the work now, but we're going to be getting into the TMS stuff really starting, yeah, like tomorrow, like by the end of this week for sure. We're going to start creeping into the load schema, load details, load boards, carrier, customer management, broker teams. We'll add that. We'll make the dashboard actually work for flipping between teams. Yeah, getting into some of like the real stuff. So a lot of learning with inertia and React. I think it's gone pretty well. Speeding up for sure, which is great. I think it's super important that it's like picking up speed, which I think it is. I mean, look at the permission stuff we got done. It's pretty good. So yeah, I think that's it for this one. Thanks for tuning in, and catch y'all tomorrow.